Hello friends, good morning, very good morning and welcome to my channel Prodbug, and we'll continue with our rest of the topics. And this time I come up with very interesting, like we are going to generate our own MP3 file. Okay, so we will write something, and with that text we are going to generate our own MP3 file. Okay, so basically audio file. So basically this model will be called TTS, which is mentioned here. TTS is like text to speech model. Okay, so it's going to be very interesting. So see, these are the models which I shown you in the initial chapter. So we have already covered what the first one, this one, chat gpt 3.5 turbo, right? So we have already covered this one. We have seen a lot of things in this. If you have not checked, I will highly recommend go and check the previous chapters where we translated from English to French to different languages, right? Then we um, hit the OpenAI server and we fetch the response like we can do in open chat gpt link, right? So all those things we have covered in the previous chapters. Now we will focus more on the other models. Okay, so let's quickly go and check the code for this TTS model. So it is a set of models that can convert text into natural sounding spoken audio. Okay, so natural language can be generated with the help of TTS model. Okay, I will show you. So here is the code. Let me show you text to speech. Yes, it is. Let me open the code. What happened? Okay. Okay. So here is the import. So I hope this is clear. So this is a new import which we are seeing right now from pathlib, because we need to read the path and all these things. So we need this import, and this is a normal import for the OpenAI, right? So we have created an object of OpenAI here in this particular statement. Client is equal to OpenAI. Okay. Now here we are mentioning the path of the generated file. Okay. So this will be our generating file. Okay. Let me change it to the ABC. Okay, so these are the supported format, basically Opus, ACC, FLAC, WAVE, and PCM. Okay, by default it is MP3. So if you are not going to give anything like just the name of the file ABC, so the output will be abc.mp3. So because MP3 is the default one. Okay, so we will try to generate both kind of files. So this is the speech path. So this is the parent directory, like our where our project is, and slash ABC. So inside that project, so basically inside this folder, so this path showing like the folder, this path. Okay, so path of this folder will be this one. Okay, so after that abc.mp3 will be generated in this case. Okay, so now we have created a main method. Okay, so even if you don't know the Python, so try to understand. So basically, if you are from Java backgrounds, you should not have that much problem. So you can just try to understand, like this is a normal function we are calling. We have created a function and we are calling from here. Okay, so we are calling the main method. This we are calling from here. Okay, so let's focus on the logic. Okay, and you can use other languages, or you can use the AI again to convert from Java to Python. Okay, so that's a altogether different topic. So here, see what we are using, the OpenAI object dot audio. This time we are using audio. Okay, so last time you can see we are using the chat, client dot chat. This is for the text translation, but here we are using the speech, so we are using the audio related classes. So object client dot audio dot speech with streaming response dot create. So this will be the classes and methods which we are going to use. So here is the model name. Okay, so TTS is the model name which we are going to use in this particular chapter. Voice. Now what is voice? So there are different voice. Okay, so few are female, male, some loud male or something like that. Okay, so every there are you can just try with yourself. Okay, some will be for the kid voice. So basically they have given, OpenAI has given few names, and you can check how they sound. Actually you can go to the here text to speech and see. I don't think so you can listen, but I can listen. So it's a male voice. Okay, Fable. It's again a male, but the voice is a bit different. Okay, so this is a Onyx. This is a more bass, the male voice with a more heavy. Okay, so this is Nova is a female voice, and Shimmer is again a female voice. Okay, so basically they have given few sample set, so you can use any of the voice out of them. Okay, so here we are using the Shimmer. Just you need to just whatever any name. Just this is Shimmer we are using right now, so you can just write voice should be of Shimmer. Okay, these are the categories. Okay, so these categories will keep on coming and changing from time to time. So right now you have given a set of 5 to 6 languages in which the voices which you can use, and here is the input text. So you can change whatever you want. Okay, so what I have written, like, hey friends, I am here to stay, what about you? So let's learn something about AI on the prod bug with Sheetal. Okay, so this is the text which I am inputting to the AI. Okay, and in response, here is the file path which we have already given. So text to speech file generated. So here the file will be generated with this text. Okay, so let's quickly run this code and see. So you can see right now there is no file, and now this ABC file has been generated. Okay, so let's open this file in Explorer, and here is the file. So you can see this is the file. Okay, I'm not able to open. Uh, okay, let me write MP3 here. Maybe some problem. Okay, let me rerun the code. Let's see. Okay, again one more file. Okay, now no, so we need to give. Okay, so we need to give the extension. Okay, it's not by default, so we have to give the extension. Okay, let me delete this file because this is of no use. So now this ABC has been generated. If I will open this. Okay, so basically I can hear, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but I can clearly hear that in a female voice, the AI is saying that exactly the same thing. Okay, like, hey friends, I'm here to stay. What about you? Let's learn something on Prodbug from Sheetal. So this is exactly the same text has been spoken by the this particular voice. Okay, Shima, some lady. Okay, so and we can just change the different output like MP3. We can use, let's say, wave. Let's try with wave and again run this code. Okay, so another file has been generated. So again ABC with wave, you can see here. Let's open this. I don't know which player we need to run this wave file. Yes, I can hear. Okay, so basically, it's a good thing to learn. So you just write anything. Okay, you can wish your friends happy birthday, happy anniversary, all these things you can on some AI voice, and you can send this MP3 file to your friends. So I used to do this thing. So I wish some friends in some AI voice, and I send this particular MP3 file. So it's a good fun. Just try to enjoy the AI, and I hope you like. If you have any problem of running this code, or you want to know something more about this, just send your query in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this particular TTS model, and in the next chapter we'll come up with some different topics. Okay, fine guys, enjoy your day and happy learning.